Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So here today I'm going to be showing you guys how to grease up and fix your squeaky clutch. So my clutch pedal is right here and you can't really hear it while I'm pressing on it with my hand, but in the car it creaks and it squeaks. So today I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. Start off, you guys are going to grab some silicone lubricant. I'm going to leave a description into this slide glide stuff down below. Next thing you guys want to grab is some paper towels. I have a few more over here, but just make sure you have some paper towels. Alright, so when you go down here into my clutch pedal, it is super dirty in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this paper towel and I'm just going to try and clean up all of this extra dirt and grime. So once I get this spring here cleaned out of all this dirt and grime, I'm then going to transfer over here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but let me get it right there. You see that thing in the top left corner? That piece right there is my piston that actually pushes in. So I'm going to clean up both of these things, and I'll see you guys in just 1 minute. Alright, so once you guys have cleaned off those 2 points, the one being the spring right here, and then the piston, let's see if I can get it to focus, and then the piston back over here. The next thing you guys are going to want to do is grab your silicone lube here and put a little bit of it. Let's see if I can do this with the camera. Put a little bit of it on your finger like this, like so. You're going to want to come in here to the spring and you're just going to want to put a little bit. I have quite a bit on my finger, but you're just going to kind of want to put a little bit all around the spring here. Just get it nice and lubed up here, and then maybe press the clutch in a couple of times here. Get that spring moving. I'm going to rub some more in here. I may have to put the camera down to put a little bit in the bottom of that hole here, but I am going to do that, so if you guys want to do that as well, leave this up here. And then the next part is you guys are going to want to get some more on your finger here, and you're going to want to get your piston that's back over there, and I'll show you guys how that looks after I've got the silly glide on it. Alright, so I got both the spring here and then the piston back there all lubed up. The squeaking noise or creaking noise may not go away right away. You have to work in your clutch, so the best thing to work in your clutch is to just go for a drive for about 30 minutes. I myself am going to sit here and just work in my clutch with my hand, and then I may go for a drive, but working in it with my hand should stop the squeaking. Also, while you're down here, if you have electric chairs, even if you don't have electric chairs, you should grease up your slides. I did my little slide bolts in here, so that side and then that one right there. But that is how you guys should be able to fix a squeaking and creaking clutch.